Zoe. What have I got? What have I got for you? Hey, Zoe, place. Yeah, good job. Good girl. Phew, bless me. Allergies. Place. Yeah, good girl. Good job. Good job. And I'm going to combine it with cicada. Leave it. Yeah, good job. So what I'm trying to do is leave it. Get her to practice without the cicada and with the cicada, turning her head and leaving the item. Leave it. So I put the treat in front of her nose and I'm like, leave it. And I turn her head away from the item so that way I can drop the cicada. Leave it. Yeah, good job. And I'm covering my hand over the... Leave it. Yeah, good job. And I'm moving it around. Leave it. Yeah, good job. Leave it. Yes, good girl. Leave it. Yes, good job. Leave it. Yeah, good girl. And you're just going to practice this for homework. Leave it. Good job. And you can see I'm using leave it, my hand and my body language to help her succeed while I'm also dropping this item. Zoe, leave it. Good job. You have a puppy walking past. Yeah, good girl. Leave it. Good girl. Leave it. That's so good. Look at you. She's like, I could totally leave it. Totally run over and steal that thing. Leave it. Good girl. She's still thinking about it though. Every time she's like, when you're not looking, I'm going to run over and steal that cicada. Good job. And like cicadas aren't harmful to dogs. They're not like, leave it, toxic as far as I know. But I think the exoskeletons are a little bit harder to pass. So your puppy might have upset stomach, maybe some issues with the consistency of their stools if they've had too much. So I'd just be careful. They're probably going to get them because they're everywhere, but try and avoid as many as possible. Good job, Zoe. Come on, Zoe. Zoe, please. Hey, please. Girl. Leave it. Yeah, good job. Please. Good girl. Good job. Should I get you some water? Are you hot? Are you hot? It is warm today. We'll take a break and get some water.